This video introduces the control panel in a CQ University boardroom teaching space. The CQ University boardroom control panel is just a simplified version of the CQ University ISL control panel. Boardroom and ISL control panels both provide the same set of presentation sources and BYOD services, a presentation window to see the presentation content, a second large window to see camera output, microphone and speaker controls, camera and video conference controls, and an area to control an Echo 360 recording and webcast. Points of difference between the boardroom control panel and the ISL control panel are as follows. Boardrooms only have one camera to control. ISL spaces have two. Boardrooms only have one set of microphones to control. ISL spaces distinguish between presenter microphones and audience microphones. And the boardroom control panel provides no control over room lights. Another difference is that you must touch the boardroom control panel to get started, whereas the ISL control panel starts automatically as you enter the room. And the boardroom control panel is smaller than the ISL control panel. This is significant as the only way to interact with the room computer in a boardroom is through the control panel. There is no separate screen for the room computer. The presenter can view the computer full screen by touching the presentation window. However, text may still be difficult to read. If so, you may wish to increase the font size. Right-click on the desktop and select Screen Resolution. Then select the Make Text and Other Items Larger or Smaller option. You can then select a larger font size for text. Having changed the font size, you will need to log on again to see the effect. To exit full screen, just touch the control panel again. When you have finished using a boardroom, log off from the room computer. Then, touch Power Off and confirm you have finished. If you know how to use the ISL control panel, you know how to use the boardroom control panel. A companion video demonstrates all aspects of the ISL control panel. We hope you enjoy using the control panel in a CQ University boardroom teaching space.